Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a lace edging titled Colleen border, and this particular border, sample piece I made with Aaron Hobby Store Premium Acrylic Yarn, which is a 5 ply medium weight 4 yarn, and it's anti-pill 2. The color code is 2021 and pistachio green. I used my 6 mm to chain the foundation. This is worked in the long chain method. Hence we need to determine the length required in the beginning itself and go ahead with our work. And it is worked with multiples of 4 plus 2 chains as the foundation chain. I worked with 6 mm clover crochet hook for the foundation chain, and for rest of the work I use my 5 mm. And the other tools are before you. Okay, let's go into the video without any delay. Chain multiples of 4 plus 2. So I am not making a slip knot. My first knot itself is going to be a chain. Continue to make a chain of multiples of 4 plus 2. I shall make the required number and get back. Now make a double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And I am going to work in the back bump. I have changed over the hook to a 1 mm smaller. Now chain 1, skip 1 and place a double crochet in the next. So this is the stitch repeat for the foundation row. Chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet. So continue this till the end. I shall also complete and get back. So this is the foundation row. At the end of foundation row, turn, chain 1 and place a single crochet on top of the very first double crochet. That is the last stitch that we made, and one single crochet in the chain space. So one single crochet on the double. So this is the stitch repeat for row 1. This is row 1. So this is the stitch repeat. SC in chain space and SC on each of the double crochets, and place your last single crochet on the third chain of the turning chain. Okay, I shall complete row 1 and get back. So at the end of row 1, turn your work. You may chain 3 or make a standing double crochet. So let me chain 3 and skip the first 3 single crochets, including the very first one here, 1, 2 and 3, and place 3 doubles in the next. Henceforth, skip 3 stitches, 3 singles, and in every fourth place a set of 3 doubles. So continue till the end. You will be left with 3 stitches in the end, and you need to skip 2 and place your double on the very last single crochet. I shall come meet you at the end of this row. Come to the end of row 2 here. So at the end you are left with 1, 2 and 3 single crochets. So place your last double crochet on the last single crochet. Turn your work. Now chain 5. This is 1 DC and chain 2 space. Now we need to work 3 double crochets together in the center DC of all DCs. So we are going to work 3 double crochets together. 1 incomplete, 2 incomplete, 3 incomplete. So you'll be left with 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4 of them. Now chain 3 Again 3 doubles together, 1, chain 3, 3 doubles together. So hold, when you after chaining, it's little dicey to work the stitch, so for the first stitch hold and pick up incomplete DC, second incomplete DC, and the third incomplete DC all together. So this is how the pattern develops. So continue the stitch pattern till the end of this row. At the end of row 3, chain 2 and place your double crochet on the third chain of the turning chain. And turn your work. Okay. Now chain 1 and place a single crochet in the very first DC, and under this chain 2 space place 2 singles, and 1 single on top of the 3 DC cluster, and henceforth we are having chain 3 spaces, so in every chain 3 space place 3 single crochets and 1 single crochet on top of the 3 DC cluster. So continue. When you reach the end, we need to place 2 single crochets under the chain 2 space and 1 single crochet on the third chain of the turning chain. So where I shall meet you at the end of this row. So this is how the border looks after row 4. For row 5, turn your work and chain 4. Chain 4 is counted as 1 double crochet and chain 1 space, and skip 1 stitch, 1 SC, that is the second SC, and place your double crochet in the next. Henceforth chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet. So this is the stitch pattern. Chain 1, skip 1, and place a double crochet in the next. So I shall complete this row, finalize the lace and get back. So I have completed row 5, and this is how the Colleen border looks. Hope you like the small video. This is classified under the easy level, and this can be added as a embellishment to any of your dresses or projects that you choose to. Okay. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe, like and share our videos, and if you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe and share our videos. Do like them too, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day.